Did I just play pipes again? Whoops! I am so sorry, Bob Buffett 94. Please forgive me. I promise not to play it again. Nope, never. No chance. Some of you are saying pipes in chat. Do you think I should play pipes again? I'm kind of addicted right now. It's an issue. That one was for all of the genuine pipe fans in chat. Ping, 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 ping. Do you think I'll get in trouble for playing pipes? I think it would be worth it even if I was. I mean, if chat keeps spamming pipes, then I feel obligated to play pipes, you know? It's like a two-way social contract. I know Beetle will get mad, but that's not going to stop me. Don't you all feel that pipes is the sound effect that best explains my current mental state? That was the last time I'm going to play pipes, I swear. Anyway, evil fact of the day. Did you know that I haven't taken my morning medication yet? Oopsies. Let me go grab it.